In this short video, I'll show you how to convert your Facebook profile into a business page. Have you ever hit the 5,000 friend limit or felt limited by the personal accounts features? Transitioning to a business page unlocks tools to help you connect with a wider audience, track engagement, and establish a professional presence. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With our years of experience, we've helped countless users convert their profiles seamlessly into professional pages, boosting their online presence. Stay with me until the end to learn how to create a Facebook page from scratch. Now, let's get started on how to convert Facebook profile to page. To start, open the Facebook app or access your account on a browser. Go to your Facebook profile and locate your profile header. Click or tap the three dots menu button on the right side. From the options that appear, click or tap Turn on Professional Mode. Confirm your choice, and your account will transform into a professional profile. Now, your profile is in professional mode, but there are additional steps to fully optimize it as a business page. Let's proceed with important settings for your new business page. To adjust privacy settings, go to Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings and configure the following. To set who can send you friend requests, under Audience and Visibility, tap How people find and contact you. Look for who can send you friend requests and change it to Friends of Friends. This limits friend requests and encourages followers instead. To adjust who can see your friends list, go to the same privacy settings, and change this setting to Only Me for a cleaner, more professional profile. To adjust who can see your future posts, under Audience and Visibility, tap Posts and locate the option, Who can see your future posts. Set it to Public to maximize visibility for your posts. To adjust tagging and timeline settings, go to Profile and Tagging Settings and adjust the following. To set who can post on your profile, set it to Only Me to maintain control. To review posts you're tagged in, turn on Tag Reviews to keep your timeline professional and clutter-free. To set templates and branding, head to the Professional Tools section in Settings and select a template that suits your goals, such as the Business Template, which provides tools like Insights and Ad Management. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more tech tips. Now, let's finish setting up your business page for success. Now that the FB profile has been converted to a business page, you need to add details of your business or brand. To set your profile picture and cover photo, upload images that represent your brand. In the About section, fill out details like your business category, contact information, and a compelling description. These will help people searching for your business or business type to locate you. Also, you need to explore Facebook Business Tools, which enables you to enhance your page management. To track user engagement, use Page Insights located under the Professional Tools section. This feature allows you to analyze your audience and measure post performance. To create targeted ad campaigns, access Ad Tools within the Professional Tools section for designing effective Facebook ads tailored to your target audience. To promote your page organically, share your new business page with friends, family, and followers to build traction quickly. But what if you just want to retain your normal FB profile and create a brand new page for your business? No worries, in this video linked here, I'll walk you through the simple steps to create a brand Facebook page for your brand. Tap here to watch it after this video. To explore more Facebook video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.